Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you how to add panels to your Twitch profile. Begin by clicking your profile picture in the corner and selecting Channel from the drop-down menu. Next, navigate to the About section. Scroll down until you see the Edit Panels toggle and switch it on. Continue scrolling and click the large plus icon to begin. You can choose between a text and image panel or an extension. I will select the text option. Enter a title for your panel, like About Me. You can also upload an image from your computer. Just ensure it is 320 pixels wide. If you want the image to be clickable, add a URL in the link field to redirect your viewers, then hit Submit. The process is very simple. If you need to delete a panel, just click Remove and confirm. Thank you for watching. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.